Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. I'll be showing you how to use the snap layouts that comes with Windows 11. So now let's say you're in an application and so snap layouts just helps you be a little more productive. Now if you hover over the maximize button, you get a few different types of ways you can place your tab. Now if you want to place it to the right side, you can place it like that and automatically on the left side you will get a tab to go along with this. Now, there's a shortcut that you can know to change it, and so that's the Windows logo button plus the arrow keys. Now, if I want to maximize this button, I would click the up arrow and it goes to the top and then it goes maximize. Now, if I want to reduce the size, I can click Windows logo key plus down arrow and it goes down. Now, if you want to push it back to the right hand side, you can do Windows logo key and right arrow. It snaps to the right. This is why it's called snap layouts. Now, if I do Windows logo key along with left, it'll go to the middle, and if I click it again, it'll go to the side. Now, as you can see, automatically Windows has recognized what you did. And so once again, you can select another tab to go with this again. You can just pick it. Now, let's say you want to close all the tabs. You can do minimize. But what you can also do is Windows logo key plus down arrow. That will make it small. And then again, you click it Windows arrow key plus down and it minimizes. Now, if you click Windows arrow key plus up, it will not open up again. That's not going to happen. But that's something you can know about. Now, snap layouts is really cool. You have to just test it out and see. Now, you can put that at that corner and have it like this, or maybe you can have the Windows Explorer at the bottom right and the Chrome tab at the top. And no, maybe we'll have the Chrome tab on the right and the Windows Explorer at the top left. And you get what I'm saying, right? You can just do whatever you want with this. You just have to see how it goes. So that's how you use the snap layouts.